Padaba, taga Cavite ka ba? Gusto mo ba ng sweetscape for a moment? And are you looking for a good place to unwind? Kung ang sagot mo ay oo sa lahat ng tanong ko, I've got a good tandem of good book and perfect choice of coffee, tea, but not me. Well then, Padaba, brace yourselves because I've got a perfect spot for you. Manibing vlogs here. Your Bicolana mom. Always think positive para laging positive ang outlook sa buhay. Tara, nood na! For today's video, pupuntahan natin itong unique place dito sa Bermosa, Daang Hari, Imus. Alam mo ba na this is a perfect cozy hideaway where the rich aroma of coffee blends with inviting scents of old and new books. Halika na, Padaba, satisfy natin yung senses mo with coffee aroma and book pages here at Libro Espresso that is located at 2nd floor Building E, Bermosa Mall, Pasong Buwaya, Daang Hari, Imus, Cavite. This cafe is open at 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Ang mode of payment niya is cash only. I know, itatanong nyo kung may wifi siya. Yes po, may wifi po sila. And talaga naman may mga sockets dito just in case you have a laptop or need mong mag-charge ng CP mo.
Yes!
Pagpasok mo palang, Padaba, sa kanilang cafe, you will be greeted with their anti-theft scanner at napaka-cozy talaga ng kanilang ambience. Very IG-worthy ng cafe nila, talaga namang nakakagaan ng vibes.
Awesome!
And if you're a book lover, definitely this is a place for you. Masasabi ko lang, there are good choices of books,
Aha!
pero sana mag-add din sila ng mga maninipis na libro, yung pwede mong basahin ng matatapos mo talaga within that day. Ito lang ay suggestion ko lang naman, tulad ng mga books na mga short stories, poetry books, or motivational books na maninipis na pwede mong tapusin ng isang upuan lang. So far, if you're not in a hurry and just want to relax and have a me time, then this might be the place for you.
Perfect!
Yung food nila is masarap naman, but it's a bit pricey for me. Ito yung mga in-order namin. Large loaded fries, grilled cheese, yung green apple soda, strawberry cream, and then yung aglio e olio na spaghetti, and then yung may Korean salad sandwich, and of course, para kalmado ako, chamomile tea. Sa staff naman nila is very friendly and accommodating. Wala naman kami naging problema. Maayos naman silang nagbigay ng orders namin. At dito talaga ako natuwa. The CR is a blast. Ang ganda, ang linis, at ang bango niya, bebe. Kung may time kayo at the same time naghahanap kayo ng magandang place na pupuntahan ng iyong pamilya, kaibigan, or iyong jowa bells kasi gusto niyo mag-date, then this is the place for you. Ano pa ang hinihintay? Arat na, visit na, at mag-enjoy. See you on my next vlog, Padaba. Ingat!